Will FLGC squeeze all the way outwards of the $100 levels in the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which is glory days are behind it? You should be cutting your losses from or locking in your profits and walking away from. What's up, trading friends? Today, we're squeezing FLGC under 3 different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in and where to get out. So, without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get to work. Now, why do we talk about the why first? We talk about the why first, guys, considering this is a ticker which is currently up over a whopping 83% in the after hour markets, right? We want to analyze why is it up to begin with, and whether or not it can actually hold these gains and manage to build upon them, or is this a ticker which is here today, gone tomorrow? So without further ado, let's get to work. So when it comes to FLGC, guys, this is a ticker which is running on some very, very unique news. I'm joking, by the way. It's not unique at all. We got a NASDAQ listed cannabis firm makes bold pivot into blockchain and AI. Bold. I'm tired. I'm tired of seeing all these companies turn into crypto treasuries. I'm tired. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. So today we have this company coming out and saying that they're going to go ahead and, they're going to become a zero gravity token holder. Okay. $401 million financing deal. Making it first public. I mean, it's, we're going to put the news as good, I guess, Now, why is the news good? Because just based off of what we've seen recently when it comes to crypto treasury stocks, anyone that announces a crypto treasury, their stock goes crazy, okay? However, is it able to hold these gains is the main question, right? Because we've seen the life cycle of a crypto treasury stock. We've seen what it looks like. Just as fast as it comes, just as fast as it fades away. Just as fast as we pump, just as fast as we dump, okay? So, when you go over here, right, and when you take a look at FLGC, it's currently up over 83%. But what the heck's happening, right? Why is it up so much, right? Again, going back to the crypto treasury, but if you look at every other crypto treasury stock, let's take a look at CWD, for example, right? Give us a massive pump to 56, massive death. Let's look at BMNR. Massive initial pump. If I can find it, let's go on daily. Let's go on the 15-minute chart, actually. It'll be faster this way. Massive pump to 160, death to 38. Let's take a look at SPT. Let's go on daily. Massive pump followed by a massive dump. Over and over and over and over and over again, like clockwork. Like clockwork. I mean, this is at this point extremely, extremely, a repeatable pattern. So when it comes to FLGC, right, you guys got to understand that right now, yes, it has all the excitement. FGLC. FGLC, right? Yes, right. What am I looking at? What the heck is this ticker? FLGC. What is it not showing me? Oh, yeah, if it is FLGC. There we go, right? So when it comes to FLGC, this is one of those tickers which, yes, it's up right now. Yes, it's doing very well, but is it able to hold on to these gains, right? Now, let's start doing the what analysis. So when it comes to the what analysis, you guys got to understand that it all comes down to supply and demand. So let's talk about how much supply does this ticker have right now. So when it comes to supply, the company has right now a market cap of $15 million with a total free float of 500K shares. So very, very volatile. So volatility is at an all-time high with less than a million float, okay? Now, the odds of rug pulling are extremely bad because that's how they're raising the 400 million by selling shares. Financially, the company, financials don't really matter right now because they raised so much money that it's hard to even assume what their financials look like. Let's look at the institutional ownership of this company, sitting at 0.1%. Not very good at all. Overall, guys, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't like these crypto treasury stocks. I think that, there is 2 ways of playing them. You either play them on the day that they come out and you play to the upside, or you wait until we get the crash and then you play the recovery to the upside. This is exactly what I'm doing when it comes to Eatzilla, right? When we pull up Eatzilla, right? When it comes to Eatzilla, that's exactly what we're doing, right? That's exactly what we do when it comes to Eatzilla. We're playing the upside. We're playing the, we're playing the freaking, the bounce back to the upside. If you look at it, it's giving us the dump, right? And now I'm anticipating a curl to the upside. That's what we're doing when it comes to Eatzilla, right? So for me, when it comes to FLGC, I would say stay patient. I would say stay patient until the dump comes and then buy the dip at a lower price and then play the curl to the upside instead of chasing the stock right now when it's already kind of priced in a lot of bullishness from the crypto treasury news. Again, this is just my opinion. I'm a very conservative trader, so you can do whatever you like. If you're a super risk taker, you can go ahead and take a lot of risk. But for me, trading is already as risky as it is, and I think as a good trader, your job is to lower the risk, lower the risk, lower the risk, instead of add risk, add risk, add risk, okay? But again, you guys can do whatever you like, all right? Now, with that said, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, okay, and know exactly what I'm buying and exactly what I'm selling every single day, and join 400 other members, which we have in our community right now, I got good news for you guys. Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to our Discord for a 50% discount. That's right, we brought back the 50% sale. Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount. It will give you access to our day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. Our swing alerts and our day trade alerts, guys, are the only alerts in the community, in the trading space, which not only do we tell you when to get in, when to get out, we also tell you the stop loss and how much share size to use. So we've came up with this neat system of using $10,000 as a benchmark, $10,000 portfolio as a benchmark. So let's say you have a 50K account, you multiply this number by 5. Let's say you have a freaking 5K account, you divide this number by 2. Let's say you have a 100K account, you multiply this by 10, right? On and on and on, right? That's how we go about things, okay? And like I said earlier, you're right to be, we have over 400 members, but you're still right to be skeptical. You should be skeptical. There's a lot of sketchy things going on in this space. That's why, previously we used to do a 7-day free trial. Now, guess what? Now we're doing a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. You heard that right. 2 weeks free trial. Previously it was 7 days. Now 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Give it a shot. You won't regret it. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for all the work on the community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I thank you for the membership this week. 7K in 7 days you brought in. Do you think it's coming back for more? I think it's coming back for more. Okay, call me crazy. I think it's coming back for more. Let's jump to present day. Literally today, or yesterday, right, Saturday at 12 a.m. he messaged, so it's really Friday. He says, up almost 10K since joining this Discord on Wednesday. Time to celebrate this weekend. Bang. Michael on Friday says, thank you, Sam Project. Love you. Best Discord in the world. Love you too, Michael. I appreciate you, brother. CJet, we made a killing on CJet, of course. Listen what my man Granny Slayer says. Great month, guys. Loving the swing alert. These are from swingers. I sold too early on a lot of them. Too, but I'll be way more if I listen to Sam. Stay tuned. 12% on last month. We've been crushing it. We've been absolutely crushing it, guys, day in, day out. And that's why people are coming back, right? People come back because they're making money, not because I'm so funny, handsome, and humble. Okay? My man says, endless gratitude, Sam, giving us 200%. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. We've been crushing it. So give it a shot, right? Try it for the first 2 weeks. That's what I would do. I would join for the first 2 weeks, see if I make money. If I make money, I'll come around more. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave. And I'll be like, you know what, bro, screw this guy and his Discord. I'm never coming back again. That's what I would do, right? I would never tell you guys shit I wouldn't do myself. And I would honestly try out the 2 weeks free trial. I would. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.